सर 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 वैलेंटाइन डे आ रहा है सर।
तो क्या नाचो मैं?
हाँ वो तो आ रहा है भाई, वैलेंटाइंस डे।
जरा
ओके।
बॉडी पंप पंप चाहिए सर।
गर्लफ्रेंड को फिर से इम्प्रेस करना है क्या, या तो नई गर्लफ्रेंड है कोई?
नहीं है सर।
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया।
वेरी गुड, कोई बात नहीं। चल तेरे को अच्छे एक्सरसाइज बताता हूँ जिससे तू फुल्ली पम्प्ड अप लगेगा। ओके, बट 14 डेज तेरे को रेगुलरली करना है। ओके चला।
सर सर
हाँ।
एक बात है।
अब क्या हुआ?
जरा वो परफॉर्मेंस
हाँ,
ये मुंह से सुपारी निकाल के बात कर रहे बाबा।
परफॉर्मेंस का
परफॉर्मेंस। अरे क्या बात है लाले, परफॉर्मेंस। चल परफॉर्मेंस के लिए भी तेरे को एक्सरसाइज बताऊंगा, कील एक्सरसाइजेज, जिससे तू मतलब बस चला। Only 4 exercises. If you do this every single day, by 14th Feb, you will look pumped up. You can do these exercises before your workout or after your workout, or if you're not working out, you can just do these 4 exercises every single day. Pumped up हो जाएगा. And for your performance, I'll show you some Kegel exercises in the end of the video. Okay? First exercise is Hindu push-ups. ये exercise is fantastic for your whole upper body. आपकी chest train होगी, आपके shoulders, आपके triceps और आपके back. Even your core. This exercise really works wonders. So अगर आप 5 push-ups कर रहे हो every single day, gradually 1 दिन, 2 दिन, 3 दिन बाद 4 या 5 push-ups ज़रूर बढ़ाइए। 20 to 25 reps का टारगेट होना चाहिए every single day. अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो 5 से 10 का टारगेट रखिए, उससे ज़्यादा मत रखिए। This exercise will surely keep your posture also upright. आपका posture के लिए भी काफ़ी हेल्प होगा। Do this exercise every single day. Let's go for second exercise. Second exercise is chin-ups, pull-ups, जो भी बोलना चाहेंगे आप, that's fine. But this exercise is wonderful. आपके इसमें bicep ट्रेन होंगे और आपके complete lats. आपके complete lats जब ट्रेन करोगे आप every single day, तो pumped up लगेगा, आपका posture upright लगेगा, आपका chest ऊपर लगेगा, and V shape ज़्यादा दिखेगा, and obviously the opposite sex likes more V shape in males. So this exercise you can do it assisted chin up, या फिर खुद से अगर आप कर सकते हो तो करिए। सेम प्रिंसिपल 5 to 10 reps, and if you can increase it every single day, that is really going to help. You can use resistance band also अगर आपको चाहिए, but do this exercise with the push-ups every single day. Now let's go for third exercise. Now third exercise is your guns. That's I'm talking about your bicep. बाइसेप के लिए हम लोग लेंगे बड़ा बारबल, दैट इज़ दी 7 feet का जो ओलंपिक बार होता है, हम लोग उससे बाइसेप करेंगे। अगर आप उससे नहीं कर पा रहे हो तो यू कैन स्टिल टेक अ स्मॉलर बार, बट आई वुड रिकमेंड अ बिगर बार विद अ वाइडर ग्रिप। वाइडर ग्रिप मैं इसलिए बता रहा हूँ ताकि आपका जो बाइसेप का जो लोअर एंड है उसमें मसल में मास ज़्यादा दिखेगा, सो विल लुक मोर मैसिव एंड हेवियर। सो यू हैव टू टेक द बिग बार, एंड अगर आपके लिए काफ़ी हैवी है तो जस्ट डू इट विद द बार, और यू कैन ग्रेजुअली ऐड 8 to 10 reps every single day, about 2 sets अगर आप करोगे, that's not a problem. But make sure that अगर आप बाइसेप भी अगर लगा रहे हो जिस दिन, तो don't do this exercise on that particular day. Otherwise it's okay, every single day you can do it because it's just a short term, we need pump. Fourth exercise is for your triceps. Tricep pump लगेगा तो your body will look massive, your shoulders को complement करते हैं, and with this exercise you're going to train all your 3 heads in your triceps, that is seated dumbbell extensions overhead के लिए. सो आप ये एक्सरसाइज डेली लगा सकते हैं अगर आप ट्राइसेप कर रहे हैं। अगर आपका ट्राइसेप ज़्यादा टायर्ड है तो इट्स ओके, नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम। 14 डेज में अगर आप 7 to 8 days भी अगर ये एक्सरसाइजेस करते हैं, ऑब्वियसली यू गोइंग टू लुक massive. And for your Kegel exercise, first one is come into a frog position. Frog position, hip thrust, hold. Okay, hold for like about 2 to 5 counts. Release back, in and out. I'll just show you the movement. You just have to move your hip forward and back in a frog position. In this, what you have to do is pushing your hips forward. As you push it forward, bring your navel slightly up, squeeze your glute muscle, squeeze your front of the groin muscles, hold your breath, about 5 counts, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then and again relax. Breathe in, hold, 5 counts, back. Do this about 15 to 20 counts, 2 sets every single day. Second exercise is forearm plank, hip up and down. In this, you have to come in a forearm plank position, keep your hips stable, gradually lower your hip down towards the floor, just 1 inch above the floor, and then come back again slightly higher and then lower. In this momentum, you have to make sure that you're breathing properly and you're going down, and while you're going down, pull your belly button again up towards your upper abs, and then as you're pushing it back, squeeze your butt slightly. Make sure that your movement is very smooth and rhythmic, and do this exercise for 20 to 25 reps or 10 to 15 reps if you're not able to do 25 reps. Every single day, you make sure you're doing this, and you're going to see a lot of difference in your performance. Now the third exercise is high plank hop in and out with your feet and just dropping your hips slightly when you're doing these exercises. But make sure that you're not leaving your glutes loose when you're doing this exercise, okay? So make sure your abs are tight and your glutes are tight. Keep breathing and do this about 15 to 20 counts, and this is going to really work on your cardio as well as your whole pelvic area muscles and your shoulder strength.